everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Kamsi, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Italy. For my OGs, thank you all for your love and support, and for my new viewers, thank you and you're welcome to this video. Today I'll be preparing, or I will show you guys how to prepare two different soup from the same pot. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the easiest way to save yourself your time, the energy, the gas. Kerosene is expensive, gas is expensive, everything is expensive these days. So I'll be showing you how to prepare different soup from just one pot. Okay, just stay tuned. So these are the things I'll be needing. This is actually a thickener. This is salt. This is onion, pepper. This is okra from the freezer. This is crayfish. These are the meats I'll be using: stockfish, ice fish, egusi, and this is the red oil I'll be using. Okay, the first thing you have to bear in mind is that you need a big pot. So this is the biggest pot that I have. So I'll be using this biggest pot before I divide them. So the first thing I will do now is to light up the gas. Already I've washed this meat very well, so I'll put the meat inside of it. Add the stockfish. Then I'll add little water to it. Just little. 3 teaspoons of salt. Now add 2 cubes of Maggi. Men who can relate the kind of Maggi they are producing these days, it needs hammer for you to break them. I'll just throw it in. I can't kill myself, seriously. I'm trying to break it, but if I can't, I have to throw it in. Then I'll cover it. Open it. I just blended, sliced the onion. I'll add the sliced onions to it. Then I'll add little pepper to it. Remember, I have fresh pepper. Added little pepper. Cover it again. Then I'll grind the thickener and the egusi at this point while waiting for the meat to boil for some time. I now have to turn this. In here I have different types of meat. I have different types of meat. I have ganda, I have red meat, I have liver, I have shakida stock, I have roundabouts, I have the jaw, I have everything. Different types of meat here. Then I will now add water. You wonder why I'm using this water. They made an announcement that they are working on the water on my area, so we bought this particular water so we can be using it to cook until they are ready, until they are through with what they are doing. So it's almost 2 liters of water. I just added almost 2 liters of water to this soup. Sorry. I said to this soup, to the meat. So I will then put in the iced fish. I didn't add it before because you know, if you are cooking and turning ice fish, sometimes it makes it break. So now I will add it and cover it and allow it to cook. I don't add head of fish to my meal. So I'll cover it, let it boil. Now that it's boiled, what I will do now is add crayfish. The blended pepper. Taste to salt. Yeah, the salt is okay, everything is perfect. Now cover it and let it cook properly. The second soup I'm preparing now is egusi soup, and I'll be using the frying method. I'll be frying my egusi. I don't normally fry my egusi, but I decided to fry egusi today because it's been long I fried my egusi. So I just added red oil, salt, and onion. So the next thing I'll be adding now is my onion, that is egusi. Then I'll turn it. I'll give it a quick stir. Guys, remember, in this, if you get this part very well, then you are good to go. But if you don't get this part, you spoil everything. So what I'll do is just be turning it. Make sure it doesn't stick to the pot, because if you leave it, it will stick to the point. So what I'm doing is, if I stir, I will add little water. If you want, you can add oil. Some people say they add oil, but me, I add little water to it. So I kept stirring for it to get better. If you leave it like I say, it will start sticking. That is when they will say they will say regoko, you know. So you have to be very neat to get that will I say the consistency that you need. So you have to add in little water, give it a stir. As so then you're also cooking it, you understand? Because if you don't cook egusi well, it will have a particular taste that I don't like. So I like cooking it so well. So the next thing I did was to add my achu, that is the thickener. I just added the thickener to it and I'm frying it at the same time. By so doing, your egusi will have this delicious taste whenever you are eating it. So just keep watching and see how I prepare it to the end, okay? I hope you are enjoying this video. So after I'm satisfied with the stirring, I added the mixed up to it. So I'll just be stirring it like this time around. I'm not stirring it just with ordinary water. I'm stirring it with the mixed up. Now I'll cover it and let it cook for like 2 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 2 minutes. And the same time, look at, I'm turning it because if I don't turn it, it will stick. If you look, some part are sticking, so I'm just turning it in as much as this pot is a non-stick pot. So the next thing I did was to add the meat and the stockfish. Remember, I normally add the ice fish last so that it won't pieces. So the leaf you saw there is okazi leaf. That's what I'm using to prepare. So look at this. You know that the soup is ready. I just added the ice fish, and the last thing I'll do is to add the leaf, that is the okazi leaf. Then at this point, if you want, you can add maybe your spinach, your ugu, whatever thing you want, but I just added just this okazi. You can taste to salt. If you need to add more salt, you can add. You can see the way I'm turning it. You see, I'm not turning it anyhow, because if you turn it anyhow, your ice fish will pieces. So you just have to be careful while turning. Then if you feel that the egusi is too thick, you can still add water. This is the way I wanted it, and it was good. I tested it and the taste was heavenly. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And at the same time, after cooking, I shredded them the way we use them. It came out 4 plates of okra and 5